characters. And spin, spin, spin! First up is Rumi. Second, Lily. Wow, this place is awesome! Oops, I can't see anything. Who turned off the lights? Oh, hi! Lolly, stop goofing around. Oh, what a prankster. We've got cards with different gems for the looks. Here you go. Lily, you pick. I'm not sure. Maybe this one? What is it? What is it? Let's find out. Ooh, you're gonna be amazed. What is it? Purple. No way, that's my favorite color. We're making a top. Voila! Can we trim the extra? Sure. Something's missing. I've got it. We need sleeves. Lolly magic. What's this? Wow, so shiny. Hey, how do we stitch it? You forgot the thread. What would I do without you? Sewing along the edges. Done. Oh, my glitter. Wow. Lallaloo, high five. Gotcha. Such a little rascal. Break time. Tick-tock. Okay, go, go. What's next? We need to make a skirt. Wait, where's the fabric? That's hilarious. Let me see. My favorite trend. I can't. Drop a like if you love videos where dogs dance. All right, stop. Okay, back to crafting. What are you wearing? You asked for skirt fabric. Oh, right. Stitching it and adding gathers. Let's try it on. Wow, awesome. And a little train. Lallaloo, code red. Threads are sticking out. It's fine. I've got a lighter. We'll seal the edges, but very carefully. Oh no, that's scary. I can't watch. All good. You can open your eyes. Wow, so neat. Lallaloo, you're a fire wizard. I know what else we need. Ooh, glitter. Let's add it to the look. Okay, but we'll need hairspray. Whoa, what for? You, me, and a life hack. Let's go. Spray it on and sprinkle glitter on top. Oh my glitter, this is stunning! But these shoes aren't shiny at all. Lolly Love will fix it. Wow! Ooh, now that's what I call diamonds. Lily shines like a gem. A choker for the neck. A bow on the sleeve. Yay, the dress is done. Mark it. Is it really done? Okay, I guess yes. Awesome! Let's drop a diamond like. Great job, team! High five!
Nope.
Lallaloo, that's so childish. Gotcha. Beep, beep. Stop it! Now, let's do the makeup. I found a reference. Oh, can I see? Of course. Wow, looks tricky. Really? Watch me. Voila! Already done? Just lipstick left, bestie. There, perfect. Yay, makeup is done. I've already checked it off. The hairstyle is already gorgeous. Let's cross it out. Super awesome. We did great, bestie. A diamond-shaped purse and the sparkling purple look is complete. Drop 10 purple hearts in the comments if you loved this craft. Yes, it turned out insanely cool. So, ready for the next one? Girls, let's head to the workshop. Wow, this is so cool. No way, what's in there? Lallaloo, open it quick. Oh, looks like the wardrobe is locked. I know. I trained for this for 10 years. Oops.
Uh-oh.
Hey, are you okay? Well, that didn't work. Don't worry, take another look. It says like here. Oh, I get it. To open the doors, we need your hearts under the video. Our viewers are the best. Yay! So, what's inside? Wow, golden secrets. Let's pick this one. Wow. Let's open it. Here, I brought scissors. Give them to me. No, I want to do it myself. All right, just be careful. Yay! I opened it, Lallaloo.
Thank
And inside we have a gold set. Luxury vibe, so pretty. Feels too simple for a luxe vibe. We need more gold. Let me help you open it. Thanksies. We've got a stunning top. We need to decorate it. You're right, let's check our wardrobe. No, wait, I want to come with you. Ooh, I'm inside. Let's pick this one. Okay. Oh, what's in there? Open it! Did you hear that? Something's jiggling. Pour it out. Ooh, treasure! What should we choose? Maybe this brooch? Wow, you can never have too many gems. We need even more sparkle. Then let's coat the hands with clear polish. And glitter! Glitter! Now we just cure it under the lamp. Great, the top is ready. I deserve a break. My favorite TikToks. I'll grab the next little pack. Pop. There's gold fabric for the skirt. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous! Amazing! Do you like it? Yes, but it feels like something's missing. Got it! I'll order fabric now. Oh, wait, I saw it somewhere. Ooh. Voila! No way, that's fashion. Ooh, I need this. It'll look fabulous. Maybe we add tulle along the edge like this? Yes, that idea is pure gold. Perfect, I'll start stitching then. So fancy. All right, one last secret left. Oh, a path. Step, step, step. We made it. Look. Yay! There's a hot glue gun. Turning it on. Oh, we're missing something important. I'll find a glue stick. Okay, where is it? Oh, found it! Hey, is it stuck or what? Oh no, what's happening? Got it. Be careful, Lolly. Okay. Insert the stick into the gun. Apply glue to the dress. And attach rhinestones. One more. Wow. May I have this dance? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, Rumi, you're barefoot. Right, what do I do? I've got shoes for you. Wow. So, do they fit? Yep, my size. So cool, right? Totally, great job. Let's add accessories. A gold pendant, earrings. So, is it done? One sec, makeup. Gold lipstick and bright eyeshadow so you shine from afar. That's such a cool idea! Amazing! I've got an idea. Hold this. No time to explain. Someone scattered diamonds everywhere. Here, look, we almost forgot. Ta-da! Wow, I'm a real Victoria's Secret angel. All right, now write your comments. Yay, finally my turn. Lalulu, I'm ready. Okay, you got the last card. Go! Oh my gosh! And it is pink! Yes! Pop! Where do we start? First we take measurements. 1 second, I'll do it myself. Now the waist. Done! I'm ready! How do you like this fabric? Seriously? Where's the sparkle? Surprise! Ooh, super slay! Told you. I'll do it all now. Sewing is boring. I'll use magic instead. Oh, I broke it! Hey, don't worry, bestie. We always have needles and thread. You can do it. Fine, I'll sew it by hand. The skirt is ready. Looks like you forgot to take off your pants. Take a look. What do you think? Not shiny enough. Super duper. And that's not all. Close your eyes. And surprise! For a fabulous lolly, a fabulous train. Can I look? Of course, what do you think? Wow, I'm speechless! It suits me. What was that just now? Lalulu, do I have a double? No, you imagined it. You're one of a kind. Let's make you cute twin ponytails. Ask? Aw, so adorable. Let's decorate with shiny tinsel. Lalulu, it's super cute, but something's missing. Pick some sequins. Pink. Yes, here. And rhinestones. Lalix, rate my look from 1 to 10. How total slate is this? We'll become social media stars.
Who gets what?
Spin the wheel to find out.
All right. Rumi gets TikTok.
Oh, I love it. So cool. Now you, Lily.
Let's go. Lily gets Instagram.
Yay, you're a natural Insta star. Oh, I can't see anything. Which way do I go? We're in the workshop. Okay, let me figure out what to order. Yep, just a sec.
And here's the package.
Ooh, what's inside? Let's see.
Come on.
Lalulu, I can't open it.
Let me try. There's some chains and a lock.
What? You don't know how our locks open? Guys, we need your help. Type Love Lily in the comments to unlock it. Wow, so many comments.
Look, it worked. What's in there? What's in there?
Quick, cut.
There are cards. We'll need them later. And what do we do with this? Huh?
I know, it's for the dress.
Great idea, girl. But first, we need to change Lily. Done. Perfect. Now hand it over.
I'll hold it, you cut.
Okay, let's do this. We'll need a strip like this. Wrap it around the doll to make a skirt.
And a little corset on top. So fire. Time for the cards.
Oh, almost forgot them. Ooh, wow, looks cool. What is that?
Lalix, tell us in the comments if you know.
Lally, these will make awesome sleeves. Tying laces of different colors together. Slightly sealing the ends. Now they're secure. Attaching them to the shoulders. Insta logo.
Now it feels more Instagram ready, but still not enough.
Don't worry, we've got more cards.
Exactly, and here. What is this curtain?
Huh? Curtain? That's cool.
Okay, then you sew, I'll grab markers.
Okay. Laying out the fabric. Stitching the edge by hand. Gathering it up.
Look what I brought. Time to fix this dull vibe. La 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 la. I love drawing. Voila, done. Lalulu, how do you like the skirt?
Ooh, it's amazing. High five.
Gotcha again.
Jokes. Better bring the skirt to Lily.
Okay, bestie, try it on. Wow, let's do it. I look like a real instant diva. I look so pretty now. I love my new style. Lolly love.
There's no such thing as too much sparkle. Hand it over. Decorating the skirt with rhinestones.
Now that's better. Lalulu, we forgot something. My legs are cold.
We've got one last card. Boom. Knew it. Stylish boots.
Yes, my size.
Wow, the look turned out stunning.
And final makeup. Lolly love. I'm absolutely in love. Now you're a true Insta queen. Time to take tons and tons of photos. Why isn't the bar moving? What else can we come up with? I got it. We need a handbag ASAP. All right, something that screams like me. Let me think. Milk. This will be the next trend.
Huh?
You want me to walk around with milk? Yep, it'll be cool. Here, let's take a pic. Ooh. Let's see. Oops, followers didn't like my creativity. Oh no, what do I do? Lalulu!
What happened?
Look!
Oh, Lily needs a trendy Insta-style bag.
Mosaic? So cool. I'll grab these. Oh, ah!
Gotcha.
Where did these birds come from?
Careful, bestie. I'll take this. Pouring beads into sections by color. We need smooth transitions. That's probably great. Stringing beads onto a thin needle. Done. Bright straps ready. Attaching them to the bag. Need to add side panels.
Kinda too simple, right? Oh, wait, needs the Insta logo. Huh? Right here.
Lally, pass me some glitter.
Huh? Don't want to.
Just a little bit.
I'm not in the mood.
What if I tickle you? There we go. The Instagram bag
That's exactly what the outfit needed. OMG!